Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI.
I really love these dried shrimp. Shrimp.
For my cat.
I like how he can smell the shrimp right away and how delightful it is to feed him from my hand. And I love that. I have a lot of fun watching him play with the bag, and he will try to get the shrimp out of the bag all by himself. That's so funny. Oh. Oops. He really loves these shrimp pieces, and he savors every morsel. And then he licks his chops. Shrimp. 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 PureBites dried shrimp.
Make my cat really happy, so it makes me happy too. And that's my point of view.